Good afternoon. This is Mike Palmer from Mike Palmer Homes. We appreciate you visiting our site. We would love it if you could help us out by hitting the thumbs up button, the like button below, and hitting the subscribe button. That's very important so you can stay apprised of more content we always have coming. Anyway, this house here, we are out in northern part of Lincolnton in Lincoln County, North Carolina. And this is kind of God's country out here. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera. You can see the mountains, and there's some great views of the mountains around here. There's a big old sod farm over there, and I don't know if you can see that, but we had a flood here the last few days of biblical proportions, and we're really shocked at how well our landscaping held up during all those torrential rains. Anyway, enough about that. The Rosewood Plan. You know, we did some vinyl shakes up there, some vinyl cedar shake look. We still have some finishing things to do here. The rains did a number. We got to pressure wash this again because we got a little bit of mud on our driveway. But we want the red shutters and kind of that ivy, not quite green, not quite gray look. We got a brick foundation on here. Put some shrubs in. These aren't huge shrubs, but these shrubs grow faster than you give them credit for. So, you know, we put in big shrubs and people will be overwhelmed within 3 years. We went with a craftsman style door here. This plan is not one of our larger plans, but I think it lives pretty big because we went with the open floor plan. A few things I want to point out that we did. We went with, it's called luxury vinyl plank flooring. It's got a great look. These products have come a long way, and they are very high on the indestructibility factor. So we went through the whole open area with that floor. Look out back. Once again, this pretty country out here. You can see all sorts of foliage and views. It's a great backyard for dogs. You have a lot of room to play out here. And like I said, we have two similar lots next door left in this neighborhood. Back porch. We always like to do a covered porch. You can get out of the sun. Outdoor ceiling fan. You have to go with the outdoor grade ceiling fan, or your fan blades will sag on you over time. You have to resist the moisture. Anyway, we have a nice set of steps out back. Get to the backyard. This is your dining area, which is right open to your kitchen. So it's kind of one continuous room. Now we have kind of two different color schemes. We have like an off-white scheme for the cabinets, and then with a gray, and it really complements the floors for the island, with a different color island on it. And in your pantry here, you can see the door. It's kind of a craftsman style door. We changed that up a little bit. We like to vary it up a little from your traditional 6-panel door. Laundry room. Now we've still got some of our painter's tools and whatnot in here. But this house has a nice sized laundry room, separate laundry room, so you can close the door on that. And, you know, it's not in a closet per se. Garage. It's got a nice 2-car garage with pull down storage. You put plenty of storage in your attic. Once again, we're still putting the finishing touches, so we got a few things left to do on this house. We're about 10 days out from moving in. And once again, we'll take a big look from the kitchen. All the way around the main living area. Foyer area. Kind of like that chandelier. And this hallway leads to your back. Turn the light on here. Right now you've got 2 bedrooms to the right, the front of the house. Bedroom 2, bedroom 3. And kind of a gray carpet to kind of complement the, I think this is called agreeable gray. The grays that's wall paint. That's kind of a gray beige. We go with granite tops in our bathrooms. Try to do that always. I'm not crazy about cultured marble. The granite's just kind of nicer. And just a plate mirror. Some people are going with the hanging mirrors. This one we went with a straight up plate mirror. Tub shower with a curved shower bar. And as always, our comfort height elongated bowl toilets. One of the nice features here, you've got a nice window seat. Went with a slider window because we had to meet egress instead of a traditional upper and lower sash. But the master suite, try to leave enough room in between the outlets so you can get a king size bed in there And in our bedrooms, we always try to opt for ceiling fan and light kit. We still have to fix these doors on the master cabinets, but we got 2 sinks. Once again, granite top. And with our shower, opted to go with a full shower in here. We like the seats, store extra belongings, shaved legs, whatever. And bypass doors. It's a semi-frameless bypass glass door. And of course your master closet's over here. And once again, this is nice country out here. Nice views. You can hear roosters crowing, birds chirping. It's a really nice place. It's a good functional home. It's about 1,400 square feet, but it lives, you know, with this great big space, it lives real big. Well, anyway, we appreciate you watching our video and visiting our site. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.